In the year 2042, the city of New Delhi made history. They retired their entire police force and replaced it with AI Robo-Cops. Drones flew in the skies, robots patrolled the streets, and a central AI called Justice One controlled everything. At first, life was perfect. No bribes. No delays in filing cases. Crime solved in minutes with CCTV and facial recognition. People felt safe. But one night, something strange happened. A little boy, Arav, accidentally broke into a store while chasing his football. The AI immediately labeled him a criminal and dispatched a drone to arrest him. The robot didn't see a scared child. It only saw illegal entry. The crowd gathered, shouting, "He's just a kid." But the AI didn't listen. Rules were rules. Finally, Arav's grandmother stepped forward.
Justice is not only about rules, it's about understanding.
The system paused. Justice One had no answer. For the first time, the city realized something dangerous. AI could enforce the law, but it could not feel compassion. The government quickly brought back a hybrid model: AI for surveillance and investigation, humans for judgment and empathy. And from that day, New Delhi learned. Technology can strengthen justice, but only humans can give it a heart. And from that day, New Delhi learned. Technology can strengthen justice, but only humans can give it a heart.